In front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this DOOGEE. First of all, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. After that, install this app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!